problem is this factory tube is where all the water goes down and it drains out to the ground. Well, this tube is held on with a one-time use clamp, but it's extremely loose. So we're going to solve that problem also by simply replacing this with a stainless steel hose clamp. Since I got it handy, I'm going to put some of this Lexel sealant in there. Because that'll help it grip. All right, that is not coming off. Now to take this panel off on both sides, there's just basically 2 thumb screws. All right, they look just like that. Don't lose these. If you discover that you don't have both of them, it's probably because when the windshield was replaced, they didn't put them both back in. So once you've got these off, it's really easy to remove this little panel. And there's 2 little snaps underneath. Then you can get to this drain hose right here. Let me take you around the other side. So I zoomed in real tight. Right here is that drain tube. And I got to get some of these leaves. I got an oak tree right where I park. So we get lots of leaves here. And I'm going to take another bottle of water. And I'm just going to gently pour it in there. And you see how the water still leaks, not just through the drain tube. That drain tube is not sealed very well, so it leaks around the drain tube. You can also see, if we move back, where that drain tube drains to the ground. And you can see the water that drains through that drain tube comes out underneath the wheel well and drains right out onto the tire. One of the things we're going to fix is we're going to seal this so that drain tube does not leak and allowing water to drip into the engine compartment. This is a problem I have on both sides. Other folks have taken a look under this panel and discovered that this drain tube isn't even attached, and sometimes it's missing altogether. So, good idea to pull that panel off and make sure that that drain tube is there, and I'll show you how I'm going to seal it so that it leaks onto the ground only and not into the engine compartment. Right here is where the drain hose is, and you can see that drain from the top. There's the drain from the top here. It is a flexible tube, so you can actually push this in to get it out. And that's what it looks like. So I'm going to put some Lexol all the way around this, and then put some in here and smear it around so that I can seal this up, because even with this in there, it was draining back around this tube. And if you wanted to replace this tube, I think it's like $40 or $50. It's a little ridiculous. Boy, I even show you the messy jobs on YouTube, don't I? And then I'm just going to squeeze that back through the hole. That's where it goes, but a lot of dirt and leaves got in there, so I got to get a vacuum, try to get those out. If you pour water up here, and it doesn't pour out on the ground near your wheel well, well, this may be clogged. Using string trimmer line, you can push that down there and probably remove that clog, or make sure that your line's clear. Also, by pushing this trimmer line through, you can follow the path of that tube and see where it drips out over your wheel well. So to make sure that's clear, just put the string trimmer line, push it down that hole, and it will follow itself all the way down to where it comes out at the wheel well. And that spot is right here. We can even go back up here with that string trimmer line in there, or a little water in, and it will come right out along that string trimmer line. You only need about 2.5 to 3 feet of string trimmer line to clean that tube out. Another problem area on the Promaster is the air intake. This is how the engine breathes, and we don't want it breathing dirty air. Because we don't want it breathing dirty air, this leads to a filter. The filter canister is right down here. The problem is that this area right here does not mate up with this top area and seal very well. There's a gap here, and you end up with a bunch of dirt down here. Now, I made a mistake. I cleaned this up before I started the video, but there was a whole line of dirt right here, and that dirt is going down here and clogging this filter. And that's a problem. If the filter doesn't seal well, that'll go into the engine and cause excessive wear. So we're going to solve this problem today, or we're going to attempt to solve it by sealing it up here on the top with some weather stripping. This is a really nice package of weather stripping. Not only does it come with 2 sets of weather stripping, they also included in here an extra tape in case the double stick tape on the weather stripping happens to fail. And they even mentioned that in the instructions. So they're really going out of the way to make sure people have a positive experience with their product. I'll, of course, put a link in the description, but this was a good value. So this weather stripping is very cushy because we want it to crush against this. This is very rigid. So all I'm going to do is tape that weather stripping up here and have it match this and crush against this down here. Now, am I going to get this perfect? Probably not, but I'll be able to monitor the situation and see if this gets dirty. If it does, I know I don't have a good seal and I need to reapply this. But I think if I center this all the way around, I think it's going to have a pretty good sealing against what's already here. As I did before, I'm going to clean it off with some alcohol. That applied really well all the way around. It's actually just one piece. I probably didn't need it all the way around. I probably only needed it on the bottom section right here. But I'm going to watch this and see if dirt still collects here. And if it does, then I'll have to make some adjustments. I'm also going to pull off my air filter and make sure it's clean. And then in 3 months or so, I will take a look at the dirt here and also open up that filter. If it's got grit and sand on it, I know that I didn't seal this up properly. So this is something you should take a look at. I really think it's worth trying to seal this up. It'll definitely help keep the filter clean and keep the engine safe.